Is your opinion about i'tikaf during the COVID-19 coronavirus? Can we do this at home? And what about women? Can women observe i'tikaf at home during normal times? The answer is no. I'tikaf is a ritual that can only be done in masjids. So COVID-19 is not a reason to change the religion. Meaning, if someone says, oh, Sheikh, you can see now, due to the COVID-19, we are unable to make Umrah. I said, yes, a good observation. So can we make Umrah in our homes? The answer is definitely not. So likewise, what was prescribed to be performed in the masjid has to be done as such until Allah Azza wa Jal uplifts this crisis and catastrophe that we are all suffering from. I'tikaf can only be performed in masjids. Some scholars even limited that to the three major masjids in Islam, which is the Masjid al-Haram in Mecca, al-Masjid al-Nabawi in Medina, and al-Masjid al-Aqsa in Al-Quds in Jerusalem. But the most authentic opinion is that it is open to all masjids that are full-fledged masjids, which means that a prayer hall in a mall does not qualify for i'tikaf. A prayer hall in your company or in your residential building, these are all do not qualify as masjids, because any second the owner can change the location or turn it into a shop or a warehouse. But a full-fledged masjid, this is waqf. This is for Allah Azza wa Jal. No one can sell it, no one can inherit it, no one can give it as a gift. So I hope this answers your question.